So a quick update on this truck. It's now legal and licensed. I'll explain the process of getting a salvage title vehicle turned into a prior salvage or rebuilt title. Basically what I had to do is I had to trailer it down to the highway patrol, have them inspect it. They basically want to make sure that the parts that you put on your vehicle are not stolen. So anything that's used has to have a VIN number, and then you also have to have your receipts for the new parts and the used parts. It was a very simple process. The hardest part about it is that you can't drive it unless you have D-tags, which I do not. You have to trailer it there. So I had to load it on a trailer. I actually took it to Jeff City. Now again, this may vary depending on what state you're in. I know some states are much easier and some states are even harder. So anyway, I trailered it to Jeff City, and then we went to the Truman building in Jeff City and turned in the title and all the paperwork. It took, I don't know, the whole thing took probably the better part of a day, but it was done, and I actually had the title back in, I want to say, like 6 days. It's incredible. Normally salvage titles take a lot longer. From the time I got it inspected, it was 8 days before this thing had license plates that it was titled to me. So I've been driving it. I've put about 1,000 miles on it so far. I've had to fix a few other things. I ended up upgrading the front brakes to the 05 and later, 04, 05 and later. They have larger front brakes when they went to drum in the back. And those won't fit underneath the stock wheels. So I went with these 2018 Silverado wheels with brand new Michelin. I actually was able to sell the stock wheels and tires from this truck for half of what I paid for these. So it was a pretty good deal as far as I'm concerned. But all in all, I have about $2,500 in this truck. I still need to put shocks on it. It's pretty tired. It's probably original shocks. Got 180 some odd thousand miles on it. But having a truck at home has been the most wonderful thing. I've been able to throw away all kinds of stuff that have been hanging outside my house or in my laundry room. Regardless, I don't understand how you could be a car person or a house person or own either of the two and not have a pickup truck. I don't really think there'll be any more updates. I'm not going to modify this truck. Yeah, I put wheels and tires on it, but that doesn't count. I am just leaving it alone and daily driving it. Hopefully the next video will be on the Lotus or maybe the Land Cruiser or maybe something else. We'll see. Anyway, subscribe and I'll talk to you guys later.